welcome back to my channel. Sorry I've been a bit quiet lately. I probably haven't uploaded now for about a week, I reckon. I had a little bit of an unwelcome visit from Miss Rona, so still not feeling 100%, but I thought what better way to make myself feel better than to put some makeup on this face. So yeah, looking a little bit rough, a little bit pale, a few unwelcome visitors, but I figured that we can maybe cover those up. So my husband's going to help out by doing my voiceover, so yeah, I'll leave you in his capable hands, and yeah, speak to you in a bit.
Okay, we have a black tube with, I presume, some kind of paint in it. Squeeze a blob on your hand. This ain't hard. Shake your head, do a little dance, reach around, and brush number one. Pull a face, splodgy cheeks, get it on the forehead, swish swoosh. Don't forget the nose and the chin, and rub it in. Oh, speed it up. It's never really this fast. Mirrors out. Oh, cat hair. It's bound to be a cat hair. Keep swirling, scrubbing, swooshing. Keep pulling them faces. Oh, magic. Under the chin, rub it in. Have a quick look at yourself. Marvellous. Foam. It's just foam. They tell you it's a magic egg. It's just foam. Blodge, blodge, blodge. Rub, rub, rub. Pat it all in. Up the nose, under the eyes, forehead. Don't forget the forehead. Get it up in them corners. And the chin. Mix it all in. Bit on the earlobes there as well, just for good measure. Oh, forgot a bit. Let's do that other side. And yeah, we're looking pleased with ourselves there. Yep, yep, loving it. Oh, don't know what that was. There we go. Missed a bit, obviously. And what we're looking for now. What's this? It's, I don't know. It's like a crayon. You'll probably have the magic words pop up on the screen. And we're drawing chicken feet. Looks like we're drawing chicken feet. Bit on the male bit on the chin. Oh, it's obviously a male chicken. And swoosh it up on the forehead. Looking good. What do we do now? Oh, random. Still not happy. Random. Okay. What do we need to do now? We're looking for something. Oh, that magic egg again. Look at that. It must be magic. It cleans itself. Get it under the eyes. Under the other eye. Smudge, smudge, smudge. Roll it around the forehead. Bit of dabbing as well. Oh. What's that? Looks like another little tube of acrylic paint. Oh, there's some thought going into this one. What are we doing? Oh, fingers. No brushes involved. Plain old fingers. Just wipe it onto the eyelid. Wipe, wipe, wipe. Get it into that little arch. Get it into the corner. Swoosh it out. Oh, and the other side. Don't forget the other side, or you're going to have half a face of makeup. Smudge, swoosh. There we go. Black box. Something in the black box. Get ready for the surprise. There we go. And a pink brush. You've got to have a pink brush for this one. No other brush. It's got to be pink. And what we're doing. Dib, 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 dib. Okay. Bringing out the Wolverine. Dib, 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 dib. Fantastic. Get the jawline. Wolverine's got a good jawline. And on the forehead and rub it in, rub it in. Go crazy. Cheeks, other cheek, rub, rub, rub. Just remember, you got to pull these faces while you're doing it. Under the chin, rub it all in. There we go. Pulling that face again. And we're pleased. But look at that, we're happy with that. What's next? Black pot. The mystery black pot. It's that magic sponge again. Bargain, probably. I was told it was a bargain. And it's magic. Nose, mouth, cheeks, forehead. Does everything. What's next? We're going so fast I can't. Oh, it's another brush. Brush 74. Here we go. Brushing all in again. Got to do it all again. What now? Gold pot. You know what a gold pot needs? Well, a gold pot needs a big brush. What we're going to do with this. And we're doing the forehead again. Brush that forehead. Swish swoosh. We're going to do the cheeks. Yes. Got to do the cheeks, both sides. Standard. Oh, sped up again. Round the chin. Rub it all in. What's next? Mars. I think that said Mars. Yep, red rock from Mars. And a red brush. Here we go. Cheeks again. Cheek, cheek, cheek. Rub, rub, rub. Pull a face. Smile. Pull a face. Pull a face. Smile. Pull a face. And the other side. Pull a face. Smile. Pull a face. Fantastic. There we go. Looking happy with herself there. What's next? White box. And brush. Different brush. Brush 94. Oh, we're happy about that. Something Noel didn't see me buy. And cheeks. We're going for the cheeks again. Must pay attention to the cheeks in these vids. They get a lot of attention. Around the eyebrows. There we go. Other cheek. Cheeky. Pull that face. Let's get the eyebrow. There we go. On the chin. Tip of the nose. Good old Rudolph. Dib, dib, dib. Get the forehead. Oh, top of the lip. Now, happy with that. What's next? Decisions, decisions. Revolution. Start a revolution on my face. Which one? Which of the 94 colours should I pick? That one. Bit of brown. That's probably got a posh name. Brush 172. Got more brushes than Van Gogh. Here we go. Mirrors out, brushes out, another cat ear, and away we go. Oh no, another cat ear. There we go. Gently swish and swoosh on the eyelid, backwards and forwards. Obviously not that fast because you'll probably take your eye out. Fill it in. Not quite done yet. No. Brush, 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 brush. Got to get that curve. Oh, got a problem. Solved. And darker brown now. I'm assuming this is for the blend. Yep. Edge of the eye. It's all about the point at the minute. You've got to get a point on it. Cat's eyes, I think they call it. Only doing half an eyelid. Obviously some extra blending coming. Another brush. Lost count. Swish and swoosh. Round we go. Drag it out. There we go. Wink, wink. Another brush. What's next? What's this? White pot. Magic. Not a white pot. What we're doing? Got powder in it. Is it finger? Is it brush? Oh, nice hair bubble. Looking at the hair bubble. Yeah, it's a brush, just in case you didn't know. Another one. Spray the cat. Bit random. What we got? Little dabs. It's got to be little dabs right in the corner. Got to be gentle. A little bit more. Dib dib dub. It's all about the blend. There we go. Dib 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 brush. Dib 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 brush. Going back for more. Dib 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 brush. Wink wink wink. Cheeky. Oh. What's this? Just a bit more dibbing. Get that blend spot on. Look at that. Wink wink. What's next? Another brush. And we're going under the eye. There we go. Pulling the face of somebody looking at a winning lottery card. Just can't quite believe it. Get that point. Happy. What's next? Bit dusty. Some of the other 74 palettes we've got. White box. Tip tip. Is that a pencil? I think it's a pencil. It's the longest pencil. Magic. If only it was that quick in real life. What's this? Don't know what this is. Suspense is killing me. Mascara. Roll and pull. Roll and pull. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Roll and pull. Sweep, sweep. That'll be top and bottom, I expect. Gives them volume, I'm told. Fantastic. Oh, finger dance. What's this? The longest brush in the world. sure you could just get a toothbrush and do that. Save yourself a few quid. Top tip. Brush, brush, brush. Sweep them up. Nice. And what's next? Black pencil. For you budding artists out there, you can actually draw your eyebrows on. Little strokes. Give the effect of little hairs. Fill them out. Spend hours plucking them. Spend hours colouring them back in. Fantastic. Looks like we've done that. Very nice. What's next? So, don't know what that said. It's a little tiny hairbrush. Sweeping up. Is that extra filling out? I don't know. Make them look darker. What have we got next? Gold box. Was that Revolution? Silver. Oh, what we're getting off the floor. Obviously drop something on the floor, pick something up. It's a little tiny toothbrush. There we go, told you. Get a little tiny toothbrush. And sweep your eyebrows. Little upward brushing motions. Brush, brush, brush. Brush, brush, brush. Looking good. Looking happy with herself. Oh, what's next? No, we've used that. You don't need that. What's this? Looks like another pencil. It's like a nude colour, probably. Let's draw the outline of the lips. Top and bottom. And I'm guessing, I know what that is. That is the old lipsticko. Can't see what colour it is though. You'll have the benefit of text. And smudge it on your bottom lip. Smudge it on your top lip. Smack, smack, smack. There we go. Last smack of the lips. Bottle of water, shake it up, sniff it, water. Spray vigorously. Top tip, don't do this in the bathroom, unless you want your other half to slip and break his neck afterwards. Waft, waft, waft. There we go, job done, looking good. Nicely blended, nicely brushed, marvellous.
Okay, so thanks for watching. There's my finished look, and I hope you enjoyed Noel's voiceover there. But yeah, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this, then also please like, because it helps me out a lot, and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.